ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் சிவிக்ஸில் இருக்க புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது வந்து நமக்கு பாலிட்டி டாபிக்ஸில் கவர் ஆகும். சிவிக்ஸில் 6 யூனிட்ஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த 6 யூனிட்ஸ்க்கான புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். யூனிட் 1 ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் கவர்மெண்ட் அண்ட் டெமோக்ரஸி. First, choose the correct answer. First question, a system of government in which one person reigns supreme, usually a king or queen, is called monarchy. Mudiyachi. Second, a system of government with absolute power, autocracy. Third one, former Soviet Union is an example for oligarchy. Fourth, select the odd one. இது வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக வந்து Vatican. And then fifth one, Abraham Lincoln was the president of United States of America. Sixth, Kudavoli system was followed by Cholas. Direct democracy in olden times existed in the city-state of ancient Greeks. Option C. Eighth one, from which language was the term democracy derived? Answer A. Greek. Ninth, in democracy, the final authority rests with. Answer B. The people. Tenth one, which one of the following country has presidential form of government? Answer D. USA, United States of America. 11th one, the largest democratic country in the world is option B. India. 12th one, assertion என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா direct democracy is practiced in Switzerland. correct. People directly participates in decision making. இதுவும் correct. answer A. both A and R are true and R explains A. okay, அடுத்து assertion, India has parliamentary form of democracy. correct. Indian parliament comprises two houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. இதுவும் correct. so answer is A. both A and R are true and R explains A. 14th one, the meaning of franchisee is right to vote. option C. 15th one, the grant of universal franchisee creates. option A. social equality. then 16th one, Prime Minister of India is appointed by. answer D. President. 17. The President of India can nominate. option C. 12 members to Rajya Sabha. 18th one, the first general elections after independence in India were held in. option B. 1951-52. fill in the blanks. First one, the Constitution of India was finally adopted on 1949. Second one, the two types of democracy are direct and indirect. Third one, an example for direct democracy is Switzerland. India has indirect or parliamentary form of democracy. Then fifth one, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Sixth one, the first general elections were held in the British India in the year 1920. Seventh one, the Parliament House in India was designed by Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. Okay, match the following. First, autocracy, North Korea. Right to vote, 18. Chanakya Arthasastra. Theocracy, Vatican. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 2, election, political parties and pressure groups. Choose the correct answer. First question, India has adopted the electoral system followed in the United Kingdom. Second, the Election Commission of India is an independent body. option A. Third one, which article of the Constitution provides for an election commission? option C. Article 324. Fourth one, which part of the Constitution of India says about the election commission? part 15. option B. Fifth one, who accords recognition to various political parties as national or regional parties? option B. The Election Commission. Sixth one, assertion, Indian Constitution provides for an independent election commission. Reason, to ensure free and fair elections in the country. ரெண்டுமே கரெக்ட் தான். option A. both A and R are true and R explains A. And then seventh one, NOTA, none of the above, was introduced in the year 2014. The term pressure group originated in USA. Ninth one, assertion, a large number of pressure groups exist in India. Reason, pressure groups are not developed in India to the same extent as in USA. இதுக்கு வந்து option B. both assertion and reason are true and R does not explain A. Then fill in the blanks. First one, the Election Commission of India is a body of 3 members. Second, National Voters Day has been celebrated on January 25th. Third one, in India, multi-party system is followed. Fourth, in 2017, there was 7 recognized national parties. Fifth one, Narmada Bacho Andolan is a pressure group. Match the following. National party 7, single party system China, 2 party system USA, pressure group trade unions. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 3, human rights. Choose the correct answer. First question, apartheid was followed by option B, South Africa. Second, political right exercise in the formation and administration of a government, option C, answer. Third one, a 10-year-old boy is working in a shop. Which right can you use to recover him? Option C, right against child labor and exploitation. Fourth one, what is the time limit to get the information from RTI Act 2005, Right to Information Act? Option C, 30 days. Fifth one, which of the following statements are true? இதில் வந்து the State Human Rights Commission was established in 1993, correct. It has the power of a civil court, correct. Third வந்து wrong, beyond the state கிடையாது. Then fourth வந்து it can also recommend compensation to victims. Option 1, 2 and 4 are correct. ஆப்ஷன் கொடுக்கல. Then sixth one, assertion, rights and duties are the two coins of the same coin, two sides of the same coin. Reason, we have a right to freedom of religions, we have to promote harmony and the spirit of the people of other religion. Option A, both A and or are correct and or explains A. Answer வந்து A. The seventh one, according to the UNO, a child is a person who has not completed the age of 18 years. Eighth one, Kailash Satyarthi and Malala have been awarded Nobel Prize for Peace. Fill in the blanks. First question, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights contains 30 articles. Second one, the fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution by 42nd Amendment Act. இது வந்து மினி கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் சொல்லுவாங்க. Third one, the National Human Rights Commission was established on 12th October 1993. Fourth one, Indian state to implement Women Ancestral Property Act in 1989 was Tamil Nadu. அது என்ன ஆக்ட் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஹிந்து சக்சன் ஆக்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Then match the following. Right to vote is political right. Second, right to form union, right to freedom. Right to preserve tradition, cultural right. The Hindu Succession Act 2005, child labor, right against exploitation. Okay friends, அடுத்த யூனிட் பார்க்கலாம். Unit 4, forms of government. Fill in the blanks. First question, dash or few examples of unitary form of government. England, France, Japan கூட வருதுல, இதெல்லாம் வந்து unitary form of government. Second one, the parliamentary government is also known as Westminster government model சொல்லுவாங்க. Third one, in the parliamentary form of government, prime minister is the leader of the majority party. Then fill in the blanks. First வந்து country, name of the parliament, என்ன parliament, USA வந்து காங்கிரஸ், நார்வே ஸ்டார்டிங், டென்மார்க் ஃபார்கட்டிங். ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நெக்ஸ்ட் யூனிட் பார்க்கலாம். Unit 5, local self government. Choose the correct answer. First question, which committee was appointed by the Planning Commission in 1985? Answer C, GVK Rao Mehta Committee. Second one, the Uttarameru stone inscription show evidences of prevalent local self-government during the Chola period in Tamil Nadu. Option A. Third one, the 73rd and 74th Constitution Amendment Act was enacted during the year in option A, 1992. Fourth one, does District Collector act as the Inspector of Village Panchayat? District Collector. Second, fill in the blanks. First one, Lord Ripon is known as the father of local government. Second, restoration of panchayats has become an article of faith during our freedom struggle. Third one, Kudavolai Murai was the name of the secret ballot method exercised to elect members to the village council during the Chola period. Fourth one, local government which function in villages are called village panchayats. Fifth one, executive officer. Executive officer will look after the administration of the town panchayat. We match the following. Zilla Parishad வந்து district collector, gram sabhas villages, ward committees municipalities, panchayat union chairman, corporation mayors. Answer வந்து 25413. அடுத்த யூனிட் வந்து ரோட் சேஃப்டி. இதோட நமக்கு வந்து இது எல்லா சிவிக்ஸில் இருக்கிற எல்லா லெசனும் முடியுது. பட் இந்த ரோட் சேஃப்டியில் வந்து நமக்கு புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் எதுவும் இல்லை. ஸோ இதோட இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணலாம். தேங்க்யூ.